thing. Young nigga doing my thing, baby. I'm here doing my thing. I'm here doing my thing, baby. Young nigga doing his thing. I'm here doing my thing, baby. Why you tripping on me? In the hood, yeah, OG. VEL to the T. You already know who it be. I ain't never ran from the beef. You know I'm so street. And I stand 10 toes in the fucking trenches. Get money, we ain't worried about no fucking bitches. Get money every day, that's how we living. Yeah, I'ma set a nigga straight, dog. You know we ain't never going soft, nah. You know we got a chopper go so hard. Yeah. Pull up, we shootin', man, that's why we go so hard. These niggas talkin', man, fuck them. Cause we always stood tall. That's my motherfucking brother now. But when it kill Melly, it's so hard. I ain't never stressin', nigga. I keep it like a blessing, nigga. You don't wanna see me, I swear to God. Put your ass 6 feet up under semen. You don't wanna play with a nigga like me. I got 6 brothers, man, I'm a OG. You niggas talk about these motherfucking streets. You can have my just wanna fucking eat. I wanna stack a meal so real. You niggas hollin' real, but they fake though. I catch a nigga lacking with the Draco. Man, I don't even use no Draco. Cause all they want is a Draco. And all they talk is the Draco. Just give me some with the halo. And I'll bust his head when you say so. Yeah. These niggas be trippin' on me, these bitches be trippin' on me, baby. Why you trippin' on me? Why you trippin' on me, baby? These niggas be trippin' on me, these bitches be trippin' on me, baby. Baby. Yeah, this the rest of the motor. Brand new, it's already scrubbed down. Painted Momo green. It's a 5.3. Sweet. Now here's the Camaro. You did 89. Rough Rider. Let's get down here, man. We'll show y'all, give y'all a sneak peek. 5.7 years. Yeah, ready to go on them foes. They gonna get painted over, grinded down so they can look perfect. We might just keep the car like this and just paint a clear coat over it. Get the scope fixed, the hood. It's all uneven. So yeah, man. Y'all know what it is. It's gonna be on the track this summer. You know what I'm saying? A little scrap pile. That's what we do, man. Every day working on cars. All day, every day.